In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your zip code on the Temu app. Let's dive in and make sure your shipping details are always up to date for a smooth shopping experience. Alright, the first thing you need to do is go to your Temu app. Open it up on your device. Once you're in, we'll need to make sure you can access your account settings where you'll manage all your personal details, including shipping information. Now to access these settings, head over to the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find your profile icon. Hover over this icon and you should see an option pop up that says Your Account or Account Settings. Give that a click to move forward. Next, we need to navigate to your shipping addresses. Within your account settings, look for a section labeled Addresses or sometimes Manage Addresses. Clicking on this will give you a comprehensive overview of all the shipping addresses you've used or saved in your account. If you're looking to add a new address with your zip code or simply update an existing one, here's what you'll need to do. For adding a new address, simply click on Add New Address. This will prompt you to enter various details, including your zip code, into the appropriate text fields. Make sure you fill this information out correctly to avoid any shipping issues in the future. In situations where you have an existing address and it just needs a quick update, let's say an updated zip code, you should look for the address in question and click on the Edit button located next to it. This will open up the editing menu for that specific address where you can adjust your zip code. Make sure to double check what you've typed to ensure everything is correct. Finally, once you're all set and you have either added a new address or updated an existing one with the correct zip code, don't forget this crucial last step. Save your changes. Usually there will be a save button or something similar on the page that finalizes your updates. Click it and all your changes will be locked in, and that's it. You've successfully added or edited your zip code on the Temu app. Now both you and Temu are on the same page, ensuring your orders are shipped to the right info every time. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks to keep your online shopping smooth and hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Temu.